since Galaxy Watch Ultra is geared towards adventure enthusiasts and people who want to take this watch on trekking or trails, you also get the option to create your GPX routes on this watch. Now that happens if you already have the route recorded on your phone, and for that I have to go into the Samsung Health app. If I go into the workouts and I track back to previous workouts, and here you can see that I have this track already recorded by the watch on the map. Now what I can do here is that I can tap on these buttons and I can share this route as a GPX file, and then I can load that up in my watch, and then the watch will help me navigate this route on the watch itself. Now this is a continuation of the feature that Samsung first introduced in Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So basically the watch will navigate you through already recorded or already saved GPX route, and if you're going in the wrong direction, the watch will tell you that you are going in the wrong direction and you should change your direction. You can also save a route here, so I can save this route here, and there is also an option to reverse this route. So once I've saved this route, what I can do is then I can go in the activities on my watch. Let's say I want to walk, I can go in settings, and here I can go in route, and this route is already available. I can tap on it and then I can just start, and the watch will help me stay on this route by helping me navigate on the watch screen.